Reinhold Messner was the first to climb Everest without supplemental oxygen and the first to solo it. He was the first to climb all 14 8,000-meter peaks. He brought alpine climbing to the Himalaya and redefined mountaineering in a way that made it a different game. Now age 66, Messner climbs with his son, is completing a mountain museum at his castle in the South Tyrol, and recently attended a trade show where he signed copies of his books, he's written over 50, and in a rare interview, sat down with Rock and Ice.
I'm still surprised about many things. Life is life is great and beautiful generally, but I was not dreaming about with 20 that the life I did in the meanwhile, it's possible. I did not think that it's possible to be a professional climber. I became a professional rock climber, I became a professional high-altitude climber, I became an adventurer, I became easily a politician. It was the most easy thing to run for a seat in the parliament, and I did it by my own, and to become a politician. If you use all the technical equipment which is available, you can do everything without either being a rock climber. You can go every wall up. You need 1 bolt for each meter and you can do what you want. So impossible is not anymore there. But the evolution of climbing, mountaineering, was based on the fact that each generation tried to change what was impossible. And we should keep open the fact that something should always impossible, also in 1 million of years.